Most Android tablets don't have any kind of physical labels showing how much storage they have, but you can easily check this in your settings. First, we'll go to Settings, and from there, I'm going to scroll down to Device Care. That's what Samsung calls this on their devices. But if you're using another type of Android tablet, this is sometimes under Settings, and from there, you'd find a submenu called Storage, or something like that. Here I can see an overview of my tablet, and I can tap into Storage to view more details. I can see that my tablet has 64 gigabytes of storage, and currently 56% of it is used. There's a breakdown of what's taking up space, and some suggestions for how to free up space. One thing that isn't very obvious is that I can view both my internal storage and the storage on my external memory card here. If I swipe to the left, I'll see a breakdown of the memory card I've installed to my tablet, with all the same details I was able to see from my internal storage. If your tablet allows it, adding an SD card is a great way to expand your storage. I have a separate video showing how to do it, and I'll add it to the description if you're interested in learning more. Anyways, that's how you check the storage on your tablet. Click the like button below if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.